Welcome to the future of macOS Sequoia. This is not just an update, it's a game changer. Imagine snapping windows into perfect alignment with just a drag, or replying to the iPhone notifications right from your Mac. With revolutionary AI features, advanced apps, and stunning new settings, macOS Sequoia is redefining what your Mac can do. So buckle up as we dive into the features and updates that will transform your workflow and enhance your Mac experience like never before. Well, if you can't see this update option in the setting, then you need to go to Safari and here type beta.apple.com. Here you sign up and give your Apple ID, whatever you are using on your macOS or iOS. Then get back to the setting and here you will see two options. This is info button. Here you can update to Sequoia version, and in the meantime you can update to Sonoma beta version as well. This update has 14.7 gigabytes and you check your system as well. Make sure that you have enough storage, then hit on upgrade now. You need to agree, give your passcode, and then hit enter. In my case, I have 5G internet, and here you can see the downloading data. It will take up to 2 hours as it says, but let me check how long it takes. I'll get back after restarting my Mac and downloading the software. The first update I'm going to talk about is in the Safari browser. Here you have different tabs and there are so many distractions. You don't want to see these pictures or any kind of advertisements. Then now in macOS Sequoia you can get rid of them. Simply go to this tiny icon you will see in a new update. Here you have hide distractions. Just click on that and now you can get rid of anything. If I go to another tab, let's say this is another tab and I don't want to see these featured pictures, then I can simply go to this place, hide distraction, click on that and it's gone. Now I have a neat and clean article to read. Just press done button and I am good to go. I can just go simply read these articles with ease. The other cool feature of this option is here in the web setting. You can simply go check this option and then return back, go to find option, and here you can find anything. It is particularly for the maps and restaurants, hotels nearby. You can find the address and details. And if you are reading a particular article, for example this article, then you can simply go to this option here and you can get a summary of the article in this show reader option. Furthermore, you can change the font and the background. Just click on that, and now if you want to change to this background or this one, or maybe you want to change the font for this particular article, then simply click on this font or this one. It will change the reading font. Simple. So this is a huge update on number one. The other biggest update is in Notes app. Now you just press 1+1, press equal to, it will automatically give the answers. There is another cool feature that is dictation. You just record voiceover, same like other voice memo app. Now you can press this button and record audio. Let me test. Hello, we are testing the new audio file. Here we got an audio file. Just simply double press and it will also help you to transcribe it into text. You can use it here as an audio file as well, and you can simply play. Once you select any of them, you can use the handle to increase and decrease the value here like so, and the answer will automatically change. It is also for the currency and unit and measurements. For example, you type $to PKR, then press equal sign and you will get the results. And now 1 meter to foot, and that is in the feet. Alright, so we are moving to the long waited, that is the screen mirroring option between iPhone and your macOS device. Here is my iPhone and now we're gonna screen mirror and see what's new here. I just need to lock my phone, go to settings, choose the option there to connect both of the devices, and here I can deal with all of the things that I do here on the phone itself. I can get the notification and real-time updates here at the top right corner, same as I get on my MacBook. Use all the features here by using a mouse or trackpad on my macOS. Open all the apps and do the basic functions there. For example, I'm gonna go to my Facebook, just go to type a post, and here is the test post. Now I'm using the external keyboard attached to my macOS. I can just simply go post it. Basically it works same as a phone, and this is the biggest feature I personally like. You can go change the size. Here I have a dedicated tutorial on screen mirroring between macOS Sequoia and iPhone. Any model is okay. This is iPhone 11 and the later versions are okay, but you must be having macOS Sequoia with iPhone 18 beta 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. This is really cool for those who are recording tutorial. I just want to scroll TikTok like so. Most of the functions are quite easy. Now you can simply go to press command and 2 button. You will see these background apps. Command 3, you will see the spotlight on your phone. Command 1, you will see the home screen of your phone. So if you are interested in this dedicated tutorial, the link is in this card. The next biggest update I saw is in the calculator app. Just open calculator. Here you will see different modes. Go to this tiny icon bottom left corner and you will see the math notes and scientific program. Grammar is like that, and you got math notes here. Once you create a note, this will bring you to the notes app and you can do the basic things as we discussed earlier in the notes section. You can also convert units like length, measurement, weight, mass, or currency. Anything you can do here in the calculator app itself. Simply go to basic and now go to convert. Go to this tiny little icon and here you will see angle, area, currency, data, energy. There are a lot of things in this list and you can slide volume, weight, time and temperature. You can easily convert here. You can just go make it center or left, right. That's quite easy, but the real things are here about the new changes. Before you could see passwords here in your setting and iCloud, but now macOS Sequoia has a separate app called passwords. Now you will be able to see all of your passwords separately in this app, and what is compromised, what is security risk, all the passwords will be here in this app itself. And now you can go change anything or deal with the passwords. No matter how many passwords you have, everything will be synced according to your Apple ID in a separate app. And there is another app called feedback app. Here you can send the feedback related to Apple. It is from your macOS Sequoia directly to Apple. So these are two major updates. One is particularly for password, and if you go to your setting, click on iCloud, and here you will see passwords, drive, photos, notes, messages, and like mails and storage. You can see more options here as well in terms of this app and in terms of setting changes. All right, so let's move to the long-awaited window tiling feature. Now you can tile your windows. No matter how many windows you have, you can tile them left, right, or top and bottom. Just drag it here in its style. Now I just open Safari and I want it to be right side, and here are two different windows. I can just simply go there, just hover to this plus icon, and you will see these are the options. Now you can tile to left side, right side, top and bottom, and then entire screen, or only left, only then again left, or simply go there, tile them. This is setting, this is Chrome, here is Safari browser. And if you want to change the direction of these one, simply go there like that. It will be alright. So this is really cool new update. I'm excited about this update as well because I need to open so many windows here sometimes during my tutorial, so it is something very handy for me. Right, so without Sequoia wallpaper this video is useless. Just go to setting and you will see different Sequoia wallpapers here, and this is quite new but the older one. Now they integrated this old one to the new Sequoia wallpaper. If you set this one, it will look like that, and it has a nice animation there. And if you want to go back and change those wallpapers, these are tons of different wallpapers like in different colors, and these are the previous ones. Okay, the next cool feature is here in Zoom meetings or whatever you're doing live sessions or you're doing a tutorial. Then here in this camera section, it was available on Sonoma version, but there are quite different updates here. Now you can change the background or any style. You can share share any particular window or share all the windows. It depends on your choice. And then presentation overlay, you can make it small like that, you can make it large like that, you can turn it off. In the meantime, here just go to portrait mode and choose different backgrounds, like these colors are here. Now you choose any black one background, it's gray. The green one will be like that, and you can also increase and decrease a light on your face. I'm sitting outside even though I'm sitting in my room. If you want to choose this one, you just choose this one. There are different stylish backgrounds as well for your webcam, and it's kind of cool. I'm gonna keep this one, maybe. Yep, this is cool. If you want to choose any solid color, just choose that color in case you like, and grab your camera anywhere you like. The other cool feature is in Safari or Chrome browser, I don't know, but in Safari browser you can open any video, and now you can choose picture-in-picture view. Open any video on YouTube. Here you will see different options. That is mini player. Now you can see this video in picture-in-picture mode, and you are working somewhere without any distractions, it will keep playing. That is really nice. If you want to go back, I don't know, it works on the background screen. Yeah, it works, but you can't see it here on the desktop, but on the browser it will be there as picture-in-picture. Furthermore, there are some updates in reminders and notes. Just open reminder apps and you will see different options. I don't usually go for the reminders and notes, but there are some changes in reminders and notes. You can go into details of reminders and calendars because I don't use them, but there are some changes. Now you can just make real-time changes with the calendar and events and those things if you are too much a calendar person. If you just type a message, here you can choose different photos, stickers, and message effects like that. There are so many new effects there, and you can also schedule a message. I can't see the schedule for myself, but there is a schedule option here. I can't see for myself, but because these are not yet rolled out to everywhere, but if you are in the States or some other countries, you will see the schedule message. You can set the time and then message will be scheduled, and according to that schedule the message will be delivered. Furthermore, you can check some other options here like stickers and effects. Another big update is in the Freeform app. You can now create different scenes in the Freeform app. If you name them like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, all the scenes will be created accordingly. Alright, there is so much on the way, particularly Apple Intelligence. I can't show you for now because that is not rolled out. I'm here in China. Even in the States it is not there. So just wait for this fall for the final update and you will get everything. There is a lot more in the setting and in Apple Intelligence and Photos app. I hardly use Photos app, but there are some changes in Freeform app, in calendars and events and like games and other places as well if you're playing chess or other games. So there are features updates and visuals updates and colors updates. Just wait for the final update for the public. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share if you like. Write in the comments about the features you like most. For me, I like iPhone screen mirroring the most and this Windows tiling. So have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.